lines also.
lady was saying every dialogue and she was acting it out beautifully. Yeah. I don't know if the whole
very weird memory to have.
I was there and even told the guys also cast her. Cast her.
अब तेरे को पता चला इसका mind कहाँ operate कर रहा
But
है.
guys, do
अलग
you
ही चल रहा है तेरा
remember
life.
my dupe? She was so good and so pretty. Varun, you must remember her.
Oh, Dolly's dupe.
My dupe.
नहीं, Dolly's dupe.
Raji, I remember.
Rati.
Raji, very nice girl.
तुम सबका टीम था. I didn't have any dupe. I was my own.
उसको फिर एक दिन उसने बोला था कि तू कैसे गई हो, ऐसा लगा
Acting के लिए भी बोला था उसको, but they are happy doing what they do. तो उन्होंने
पर
I
मेरा
was
favorite
my
character था राजेश और श्रीकांत.
यार लेकिन क्या सच्ची आई रिमेम्बर हमारी सेट पे तो खैर बहुत जल्दी टाइम बीता था. आउटडोर बहुत कम हुए, मेरे ज्यादा आउटडोर नहीं हुए, तुम लोगों के बहुत हुए. मेरा हमेशा घर पे ही होता था. क्या
सेट के अंदर ही निपटा दिया.
तुम लोगों का मडवर्ड होता था, मेरा ज्यादा क्या होता था. मेरा is not outdoor. That set used to यार मतलब आउट ऑफ द सेट अपने मेरा सिर्फ सेट पे होता था. 99% मेरी सेट पे. तुम लोग फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं बाहर कुछ ना कुछ चलता था तुम लोगों का.
हमारा नहीं डॉली, इन लोग का ज्यादा था. I mean, मेरा इन लोग के साथ हुआ है. जब भी वो किडनैपिंग ट्रैक हुआ था तो थोड़ा आउटडोर हो गया था. एक याद है, oh shit, Sarah, how can you forget this? Remember, we had to shoot on terrace, and they had put reflectors in all four corners, and we could not even see each other. We crossed each other and went away.
What are you?
Because we couldn't open our eyes. It was so sunny.
Who are you talking to?
You. Sanaya.
Yeah, I think I remember this scene. Yeah, it was really bad. It was.
Yeah, it was so hot and we could not open our eyes, so we just crossed each other in the frame.
Yeah, it was. Oh God, I remember, and it was a very important scene.
Yeah, it was the first time Barun saw us on the terrace together.
Barun saw.
No, वो रात को था भास.
Oh, तो वही टेरेस पे हमने शूट किया था कुछ और दिन का सीक्वेंस. Oh, I think this was the sequence where you slapped me for the first time, where you found out that I'm his husband. Yeah. So we were supposed to come into the frame like that and stop, and where you slapped me, but in real we crossed each other and went ahead.
क्या बोल रहा है अक्षय?
आकाश पायल की शादी हो रही थी उसमें. ये वही वाला है.
हाँ?
ये वही वाला है जिसमें आकाश पायल की शादी हो रही थी.
ना वो अलग सीन है, वो रात वाला है. बट उसी का एक डे सीक्वेंस था.
जगह मार खाई है.
मुझे कम से कम 4-5 थप्पड़ पड़े शो में.
आवाज मैं तेरे को थप्पड़ मारने वाला हूँ. खाइयो, ठीक है. रेडी.
आदत है. या ब्रो.
गाल थोड़ा पास में ला और स्क्रीन के एज पे ला. ये ठीक है. रेडी. ठीक है. ओके रेडी.
हाँ.
क्या कर रहा है यार?
अरे यार टाइमिंग गाइस.
लक्ष्य देखी किसी ने?
थोड़ा धीरे मार भाई.
लक्ष्य देखी किसी ने? लक्ष्य
पता है उसमें एक थप्पड़ वप्पड़ वाली पार्ट में
एक डायलॉग बोलता है, एक सेकंड में 1 मिनट में करना था. फेल, एकदम फेल. तुम फेल हो, एकदम फेल हो तुम. और मेरी कहानी भी फेल.
कहानी शुरू होने से पहले खत्म.
You know that time जब विकेट बाहर आ रहा था ना कि मैं बुका हुआ और दैट.
1 2 3 दे रहा हूँ एक्शन.
ठीक है रेडी.
बोलियो.
रेडी 1 2 3 एक्शन. ये इतना तेज भाई पागल हो गया क्या?
हो गया नहीं स्लो मोशन.
सारे तक पहुंच रहे दो. यार इसका नेटवर्क स्लो है गाइस. हद है यार.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि यू नो
अक्षय आजा, मैं तुझे थप्पड़ मारती हूँ.
तू कैसे मारेगी? मैं ऊपर हूँ.
He is above you.
Sanaya, uppercut. Go for uppercut.
Dolly is below me, right?
Yeah, go for uppercut.
Okay. Dolly, I'm going to do this. Then you go like this. ठीक है?
But Dolly is not below you on my screen. I am ऊपर, but ठीक है उसके स्क्रीन के उसके satisfaction है ना. Anyways, it's not making sense. तू कर अक्षय.
ऊपर. Oh.
मेरे स्क्रीन पे.
किसी ने बहुत सही लिखा है.
Actually,
फालतू एक्टिंग. फालतू एक्टिंग. वेरी गुड. आई लाइक इट.
एक सेकंड, लेकिन किस आउट ऑफ अस नहीं, मैं घुसना नहीं चाहता. इज्जत उतारने वाले बहुत लोग हैं.
Okay guys.
I was not slapping him. ठीक है.
यार हम लोग पता है
slapping him. हाँ correct. Why are we slapping who now?
हम लोग स्नैपिंग की बात कर रहे हैं ना।
रिद्धि की
जब वरुण का किडनैपिंग ट्रैक हुआ था
दूसरे लाइव पे है, गो चेक हर आउट आल्सो, शी इज ऑन अनदर लाइव,
कौन?
who
शी हैज अ लाइफ apparently.
कौन?
रिद्धि
who
रिद्धि
right now like currently going on
मुहूर्त पहले अक्षय वरुण को अलग बिठाओ। मैं बाहर कैसे बैठूं?
अबे जब हम लोग का
इस मारपीट को क्या नाम?
मारपीट से मेरे को याद आया that जब वरुण का किडनैपिंग ट्रैक हुआ था ना
भाई मेरी बेइज्जती कर रहा है कोई, कह रहे हैं वरुण रेड नेगेटिव कमेंट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, व्हाट ए बैड मैन।
कौन क्या है तुमने?
लिखा
कौन हाँ तुम
भाई किसी ने ये भी लिखा है गुड बाय बोल दो तुम लोग।
चलो guys.
आई थिंक आवाज वी शुड टेक अ हिंट।
तो मेरे को लगा ग्रो अप गाइस, और इसने बोला ग्रोन अप वाचिंग यू गाइस।
भाई grown up watching you क्या होता है यार?
अबे सुनो तो when वरुण का जब किडनैपिंग ट्रैक हुआ था ना, when he had to shoot for his film, so we had to give him like 40 days. तो गट्टू मुझे 2-3 बार मैसेज करता था तभी that भाई प्लीज थोड़ा सा वेट लूज कर। मैंने कहा क्यों, मैं मोटा हूँ क्या? He's like no, I want to write a fight scene where Varun bashes you up. And I'm like ask Varun to gain some muscle. मेरे को क्यों कम पतला करवा रहे हो? They could not write a scene like that in the show because I refused to lose weight and Varun could never gain. So it was like that.
से 4-4 गुना लोगों को मारा, लोग मेरे को बोलते हैं कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो, ऐसे मत करो।
यार हमारे सेट
गट्टू
पे कौन आता था? Who was always late on shoot?
मैं never ever. I was always on time.
I was before
भाई ने बोला
Yeah.
मेरा घर बहुत पास में था तो मैं
time
बहुत
पे आता था
वैसे
क्या?
लेता था।
also अक्षय का call time नहीं होता था।
Shaila Singh is saying Akshay is hot. Okay, fine. Sure. Okay then. Akshay.
क्या लिखा था?
हैंडल नहीं की जा रही।
क्या बोला?
अक्षय हॉट, मेरी तो हॉटनेस ही नहीं हैंडल की जा
अरे
रही।
भाई एकदम गरम है।
We should do rub away together. Is that what you're trying to say? कोई किसी ने गाली दी, किसी ने गाली दी। मजा आ गया।
सारा मूड खराब कर दिया।
Oh, so cute.
Have you noticed? We laugh the most जब कोई हमारी बेइज्जती करता है, guys. It's just
See होना चाहिए, life is like that.
हाँ क्या या बेइज्जतियां करवा के हंस रहे हो तुम लोग?
Sanu, are you sleepy?
Yeah,
चलो भाई मैं एक बात बोलता हूँ, ठीक है? मैं कहता हूँ गुड नाइट बोल देते हैं।
हाँ करेक्ट बात है। चलो guys.
Okay,
it was lovely chatting after 10
weird chat.
10-year chat was
देखो
nice.
गलत है, नो वरुण इज हॉट लिखा हुआ है, मैं नहीं था, वो गलत बोला उन्होंने।
भाई मैंने देखा है अक्षय हॉट।
मैंने पढ़ा था अक्षय is hot लिखा था।
गलती से कर दिया, वो बोल रहे नो।
नहीं मैंने नहीं पढ़ा भाई, मैंने भी आई स्वेयर पढ़ा है अक्षय हॉट।
Yeah, my
Guys,
mommy used to
let's
hate
not
you.
let them divide us.
Razia Roshni.
We all know who is hot.
Sham, my mommy used to hate you. The biggest compliment for Sham. All the mommies hated you.
डॉली वो जाने की बात हुई थी फिर।
See you guys.
चलो बाय।
All right.
Thank you so much.
वहाँ पे चल रहा है।
हाँ बाय।
Sorry Sanaya, you said something, I couldn't hear you.
Are you okay?
Am I okay?
पर्सनल कॉल पे।
मतलब?
हाँ, just call me up each other.
Bye.
मतलब ये सब।
अच्छा by the way guys, लॉकडाउन भी खुल रहा है धीरे-धीरे, so that's a good news.
आवाज जाऊंगी नहीं।
रुक जा।
बेटा आवाज जाएगा।
लोग गालियां दे रहे हैं।
एक सेकंड, let Sanaya and
Abbas, they are
Dolly
saying
both
save
and
this
to
chat.
talk.
Don't delete it.
stay on the call.
Yeah, I know. Don't worry, वो सेव हो जाएगा. But I'm saying guys, लॉकडाउन भी हट गया।
चलो guys. हाँ.
कौन सा लॉकडाउन हट गया यार?
Okay, wait. Everyone quiet. Abbas, say your line.
हाँ, say your line.
Sorry.
Playing.
उसको बोल ले
I'm
दो.
saying
हाँ.
लॉकडाउन हट गया है, so I'm hoping to see all of you very soon. and please be safe. अभी भी थोड़ा ध्यान ही रखना. और तो मैं क्या बोलूँगा, तुम लोग बोल दो ना यार. And thank you to all the makers for bringing all of us together. And
We are
so
not
glad
so sure
to
about
see
seeing
everyone.
about, honestly. No,
Sorry?
we cannot wait to see
But
you.
yes,
And,
thank you to the producer for doing this.
You guys can clearly
Yes,
see
thank
that
you Archie, thank you
something
Bill,
has happened to all of
thank
us.
you to the team, thank you to Kiran, thank you to Lata, thank you to
तो क्या कर
Shadab,
रही है? रात को आ जाओ.
thank you to Gattu, thanks to all of these people who have got together to do this together.
आवाज में.
And that was my ending line, guys. So please, your conclusion.
मैं कर रहा हूँ.
बस अब अगर नहीं जाएंगे तो आवाज की
एक
बेइज्जती हो
सेकंड.
Dolly,
जाने से
come
पहले
home, we
everybody
can
knows
all
what has happened to
celebrate.
all of us. If
We
you
can
have
do
any
that
good
for
psychiatrist,
sure.
therapist का number, please DM us. Thanks.
क्या
मैं हूँ तेरा
और
therapist.
सना
क्या
है.
therapist?
बंद करूंगी नहीं. चलो बाय.
बंद कर दो.
बात करता हूँ मैं. बाय.
हाँ, I'll call you guys. I'll call you. Bye bye. See you. Ta-ta.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
guys. Ta-ta.
Happy 10 years. Bye bye.
So we don't pretend to be anything that we are not. And I hope you like us or don't like us, but this is how we are and we will not change that. I hope you guys had a good time in this chat. It was very, very chaotic. I am very sorry for that. But as Bane had said in his famous line that beauty lies in chaos. So here it is, guys, and it is our 10th anniversary of the launch of the show. Before I sign out, I want to say these few thank yous to so many people who made this possible. This was definitely one of the biggest shows of my life. In fact, I started television in 2009, yeah, and I got Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do was technically my 4th show, but one didn't come on air, so this was my 3rd show, and it was my first as an antagonist, first of a few, because after this, thanks to Is Pyar Ko Kya Naam Do, I was never ever seen as a good boy on television after Is Pyar Ko ended, and I only got roles to do which were antagonizing, and I loved it. There's no complaining there. But also, for the biggest fact that I had these guys, and not just these guys, with Sanaya came Mohit, with Dolly came Jaden, with Barun came Pashmeen, with Akshay came Sakshi, Vidhi, all of these guys, and now we are like a close-knit family. Gattu is also obviously there. Gattu is a part of the show, so I could, and thank you to Gattu, man. What amazing writing for my character, especially because I shot my character. I know about it. And thank you all, man. Big up. Big up to Gul. Big up to RC for bringing us under the same show, in the same show. And a lot of people ask, whether we'll come back in a show together. Guys, this is not a question that we can answer because castings happen. There are casting teams, there are producers, there are directors. These guys take the call. We guys are just puppets. We guys only do what we are told to do, execute and live our characters accordingly. So in case if there is a chance given to me to be working with each one of them or all of them together, I would happily do it eyes wide shut. There is absolutely no doubt about it. And I love all of them. So there is no question. And sometimes, most of the times when, most of you who are working would understand that if you are working with the people you like, work does not remain work anymore. It becomes more of a fun. So that's what this 1.5 years was a breeze for me. It was the most amazing time of my entire working life where going to work, I used to look forward to going to work. The days I would be told कि Abhas तेरी कल छुट्टी है, I would be feeling bad कि यार मैं कल क्या करूँगा. These guys would be having a blast here. What am I going to do? So these are the kind of relationships we had, and not just with the cast. It was also the crew, the entire crew, our cameramen, the directors, the production team, everyone. We were so closely knit. We still are in touch with each other, guys. It's been 10 years, but we are all in touch some or the other way, either via text or say via calls. All of this. And I know I still have about 1,200 people in here. Guys, I'm going to wrap this up now. And for those who could not watch it, it's going to be up on my page. And people said keep it for a day, but no, it's just going to be there. Let it be. So we can all revisit it probably after 15 years and see what we were like 5 years back. So yeah. And please guys, be safe. Take care. All the best. God bless. Love you all. Mwah.